Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In the spirit of the new year, I thought what more timely way to just clean out my closet. I feel like this is a routine thing for me. I'm always cleaning out my closet, but this time I thought I'd do a little twist. I can't take full credit. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube in my subscription box where YouTubers are cleaning out their closet specifically for their maybe pile and then offering it to you viewers if you would like to purchase. So for you viewers out there, if you are interested in any of the pieces I showed in this video, please message me or write a comment in the section below and I will check it out and hopefully we can get in contact. There's also going to be some pieces that have already been linked on my Depop and Poshmark, both of which I will put in the description box. But most of these pieces right here are new release pieces, y'all. Stuff that I haven't released to the public because like I said, I can't get rid of them just yet. I feel attached to them. Okay, so the first piece I'm going to try on is this, I guess you can call it liner type of jacket. I used to love this jacket. Like I used to wear it so much in college, probably like twice a week. I originally got it from a thrift store. I just love the boxy fit of it. I like, even if you want to wear it kind of off your shoulders like this, I love it. But this serves me no longer because I have a jacket that is more of a recent purchase that kind of replaces what this does in my closet. So if you guys are interested in this jacket, let me know. This next one is also a jacket that I wore a lot in college. Funny story with this jacket, I went thrifting with one of my college friends and we went thrifting for the purpose of him buying some things and I just went to tag along and like picked out some stuff for him. And so I like gravitated towards this jacket because I was like, hey, like this would look really great on you. He didn't want it, so I just, you know, proceeded to put it on my own body and I ended up really liking it. And now that I'm seeing it in the viewfinder, this is a pretty cool jacket. I don't know. Now I don't know if I want to give this one up. You guys let me know. So this was I believe this was from Sears back in the day when it was poppin'. So, okay, that's a maybe. Okay, this next jacket, I do know it's gonna be a no for me. As much as I don't want to give this jacket up, I've tried wearing it in multiple occasions to see if I still think this is my style. I've given it multiple shots and I don't think it's it anymore. I used to always wear it like this. It made me feel like a secret agent or something. I don't know, with the high collar, I don't know, and all the pockets and stuff. But yeah, this used to be my style for sure. I wore a lot of like anorak stuff and a lot of this olive green. I don't really wear this much anymore. Originally it was from Gap. It is probably my oldest, one of my oldest pieces in my closet and I'm ready to give it up. So this is probably like somewhere close to longer than that, like 8 years old. Yeah, this jacket's probably 8 years old, but yeah. I'm ready to give this up. If any of you guys are interested, I will show you guys the detail. I think the high collar is pretty cool. And then these pockets. Okay, this next piece, these type of cardigans that are in this knit style used to be my jam. I was not joking. I would wear this in the dead of summer when it's 90 degrees outside, but I don't know, maybe it was like the hipster in me was just like, I have to wear this thick knitted cardigan. This pattern is not my style anymore. Wow, it's really comfortable though. I'm thinking. Wow, very comfortable. More comfortable than I last remembered. The detail up close, if you wanted to see. It's all knitted. Really good craftsmanship. Okay, I'm gonna say no. I don't think this is my style as much anymore. Yeah, no. Now moving on into tops. I guess you want to call them top sweaters. This next one is like a speckled 3/4 length sleeve sweater. It's from Urban Outfitters in-house brand Sparkle and Fade. Man, I used to wear this one like crazy. I mean, you can't go wrong with a piece like this. It's so neutral. This is a nice top. I do like it, but I think it's just I've grown out of it. My style has moved on. So yes, this is also up for grabs if anybody is interested. Next top, I actually really do like. It came in a set. It was this outer top, and then it came with a long maxi dress. I bought it from the thrift store with the intention to DIY it, and then I never got to DIYing it, so I gave the dress away. And then this top, I did, okay, I kind of like this one. Okay, maybe, okay, this is maybe a maybe. Okay. It's just this thing that I feel like my shoulders feel really broad, so I think, I don't know, I have this theory that button-ups make my shoulders look way bigger, so, but I kind of like how this looks. I think this one's a maybe too. I thought I wanted to give it away, but this is like the perfect either beach cover-up, summer top. You can wear it open, you can wear it closed. Yeah, I think I like this. But if somebody out there wants it more than I do, please let me know, because I'd rather have you wear it than me just let it sit idly in the closet for another year. This one I have previously talked about in a video that documented what I bought this year. So sad to see it go because it's just this beautiful burnt orange color, perfect for the fall time. But like I said, something with me being a bit insecure, I think, about my broad shoulders that draws me away from wearing this more often. Actually, not even more often. I haven't worn this since I bought it, but I kind of imagine I would wear it something like this, and then with the open bottom too. Yeah, this one I kind of knew for a fact I didn't want it anymore, so let me know. I believe this one's actually already posted on my Depop. This next top is a total impulse buy. I remember not liking it that much, so I even went ahead to change out every single button to have this tortoiseshell button, and that even didn't change my mind enough about it. I think I wore this like maybe once or twice out, and I just never wore it again. You know what? Now that I'm wearing this again, I think I want it. I don't know, this is why I advise you, go through your own closet, go through your maybe pile again. You might, I don't know, maybe something has changed. I don't think I liked it buttoned up because I felt too much like I'm gonna have an interview, but opened up is very nice, feels very casual, feels like I can go to the beach right now. Okay, maybe I'll keep this for another year. Let's see if I end up wearing it this year. But yeah, I think I like this one. Let me know guys. Once again, another button up. Do I like this one? This is a vintage Valerie Stevens thrifted button-up, short sleeve button-up. I think I'm ready to give up this one. I don't think chambray is my thing much anymore. You know what? No, I need to be practical. The armholes, I have pretty big biceps, not trying to flex, but I have pretty big biceps, so a lot of these more like vintage items that accounted for very petite women don't fit me right, so I'm gonna say no to this one. I'm gonna say no. You guys can't see what's happening here. But I know what's happening here. First one that I will miraculously put on right now. First skirt, very cute. I think it's a very cute skirt. The only thing is I don't feel like I'm a skirt person much anymore. I think I'm okay to let this one go. This one was also thrifted with this nice, like, what do you call it? Like gingham pattern. Let's put this one on. Okay, going back into the vortex. So this is how the skirt looks. It has a cool little like tulip. I don't know if you want to call it that. I think it looks very flattering. Like this outfit right here, this is like semi-casual. I feel like you can go to like a brunch with this. I think that's gonna be a maybe. It's a story about this two-piece set. I bought it when I was traveling in Northern Europe. Unfortunately, it is just way too big on me. I think at the time I was willing to deal with it, but right now it's like pretty annoying when you have to pull up your pants every 2-3 seconds. So for anybody that's like a size 8, this would fit perfectly. The matching top has, the back of it has like this little tie thing, which is a really cute touch. Once again, I think this is a very nice brunch outfit. I do like the print. I like the material, like I said, it's like a linen material. It's just the pants are a bit too big. The top fits nicely though, so that's a plus, but yeah, the pants are a bit just too big. But I think I wouldn't sell this if I wasn't selling it with both top and bottom. I think that'd be weird. This next one has like a really cool accordion style material. Like you see those ridges? And these sleeves are genuinely why I bought this, because they're just so cute. I do like the polka dot. I think it's very cute. Maybe it's just a bit oversized, pretty shapeless, but I mean, you can wear this while you're eating a buffet, right? Pretty shapeless, but a lot of room. Okay, I think I do like this one. Next dress, oh man. Next dress was probably my most worn dress throughout my freshman and sophomore year, or not even most worn dress, my most worn piece of clothing from my freshman and sophomore year of college. I remember like looking on eBay for months to see if somebody was selling this dress, this specific one, because I was obsessed. I saw it, I think, like at Free People. So I just hunted on eBay for like, who knows how long, like a couple months. I think my style has definitely changed in the span of 3-4 years. So this is a dress I haven't worn probably in 3 years, honestly, ever since my sophomore year of college. I think I like try to put this dress back on every year just to see if I will fall in love with it again. It has these little buttons on the side. There's a little drawstring right here, and you can tie it here if you wanted. I think this is more of like a prairie look if you tie it up here. Yeah, but it is lined, which is a very good sign of quality. Very pretty dress. Very, very pretty dress, but I just don't find myself wearing it. This next dress that I'm about to show, I remember in one of my YouTube videos, I think it was like my biggest and best thrift haul video. I remember being so stoked about this dress simply because I haven't seen a dress like this style at the thrift store before, so I thought I struck gold. I always say that if you haven't worn a piece right after you purchased it within at least that month or week, you're probably never gonna wear it. I think this dress is super pretty. I think the print is really nice. It is also lined, which is a good sign. And the bottom of the dress has these little frills, if you can tell. Like little frills. I have never worn. It's in perfect condition. I just don't think it's my style anymore. I strictly think I've kept it in my closet for this long simply because I remember paying full price for it at Urban Outfitters and only wearing it maybe like 2 times. So I think I've just held on to it because I'm just upset that I haven't made its money worth. Yeah, Urban Outfitters, like, I feel like they were taking the romper game by storm. I fell in that trap. I was definitely one of those girls that spent ridiculous money on a small little piece of fabric. But I mean, we all make mistakes, you know? So yeah, this one's also a super, super beautiful romper. You can wear it open like I am right now or have it closed all the way. And there's these cute little bells, which to each their own. Some people might think these are annoying. So this is another piece that I go back to every year thinking I'm gonna like it again, but I just don't think like similar to skirts, I just don't like showing my legs as much as I used to. You know, like I don't feel comfortable entirely in this. Maybe as a beach cover-up I would, but like I don't go to the beach often enough that I would feel like I would make use of this piece. Alrighty, so that concludes my video of cleaning out my closet for this new year. Like I said, if any of these pieces sparked your interest that you would want to purchase it, even from the maybe pile, because like I said, I would prefer somebody wearing this rather than me having it sit idly in the closet. This was a fun video. Maybe I'll do it maybe another 5 years down the road, I don't know. I don't think I compile enough clothes to have like an annual closet clean out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. Be interactive with me in the comments. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!